This is a center console for an aircraft seat, a monitor bracket with supporting arm, a box for laboratory tests, and an indoor touch display stand. Can you see it? We from BVS Group see it. The potential in raw sheet metal. We give form and function to it. We are punching and laser cutting any contour, and this precisely. We are bending highly automated and mark-free when it's necessary. We are welding visually and structurally attractive welded joints. We are assembling complex components into one unit and invigorate sheet metal. Your requirements are complex, our possibilities nearly unlimited. Transformation takes place here, at the BVS Group. Manufacturing of individual sheet metal products, independent of industry or demand, is a daily occurrence for us. See for yourself. Our customer service is at your side from day one. We prepare detailed offers, optimize engineering data, conduct engineering of new products, compile feasibility analysis, and much more. Our experienced technicians and engineers handle development, planning, and programming or prepare an appropriate stock concept. So you get everything from one source at BVS. We manufacture in 3-shift operation everything you desire, from prototyping to series production, from small parts to completely assembled end products, from standard components to a world debut product. Our slogan, "No project is insolvable." Thanks to our various production possibilities, we will always find ways of manufacturing. We are stamping, laser cutting, bending, grinding, deburring, welding, laser welding, powder coating, printing, riveting, and assembling, and all of this in the highest quality. This we guarantee. And even more, you profit from our knowledge across all industries and our long-time experienced employees. We are responsible for compliance with position tolerances, traceability of purchased parts, and legal conformity of materials. We arrange manufacturing in reliable processing thanks to high automation. And last but not least, we invest continuously in our machinery and check regularly new acquisitions or replacement investment. Thereby, we ensure an optimum and efficient production of sheet metal products based on latest operations. BVS Blechtechnik in Böblingen, BVS Systemtechnik in Schwerin, and our joint venture in BVS-Chenghua in China form a strong technology center. Our experience makes it possible. Our references entitle us. We always find the best solution for our customers, independent of industry or field of application. We are your companion on the journey from raw sheet metal to a customized, fully functional sheet metal product, here in Germany and worldwide. BVS Group. We boost sheet metal.